Hey friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can move items from a collection to another collection. So you want to go ahead and open up the Google Apps on your iPhone, then click your profile in the upper right. Click on Saves and Collections right here. Now from here, you want to go ahead and find a collection. So let's say I want to move this item within the Barca collection to the football collection. Open up the Barca collection. Click the three dots on the right hand side of this item. You can find it in the lower right. Then from here, you find Move to a collection. You tap on that. And so you'll see the different collections that you have here that you can choose from. Now, I can move it to the football collection, which I'll do in a moment. And you also have to move it to save for later. So you can also move it there as well. Now, let's just click on the football collection here. Tap on that, then click on Move. And you will see that it moved. Now, this collection is now empty. Let me go back to home. Let me go back into the saves and collection right there. And so you can see that two items are now in the football collection if I open it, or maybe three, as you can see right here. So that's it, guys. Now, this is how you can easily move items from a collection. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.